My name is T. Mahesh. I am skilled in logistics and supply chain management. I am performing this video to avail the World Skill Council Career Development Certificate. Role of logistics in supply chain management. In supply chain management, logistics is responsible for the movement and storage of goods and services along with documents and reports that record those movements throughout an item journey to the customer. Logistics include the numerous transportation methods that get inventory from one location to another. This component is responsible for figuring out where goods can be kept at each stage until they are needed to another location, which is essential to effective supply chain management. Logistics is a critical piece of supply chain because it manages and tracks the people and resources needed to store and transfer goods and services. Logistics ensures that materials and products reliably move at the right time and on budget. Specific aspect of logistics that support supply chain includes delivering the right products at the right time, reducing cost and improving efficiency, helping retain customers and increasing loyalty, providing a unique value proposition for same business, providing a means to deliver goods from the most cost effective location for production to the location of the customer. Why is logistics training so important to supply chains? The field of logistics is constantly evolving. A customer trends change. Logistics training helps employees and their company stays current with the best practices. Training gives a company the tools needed to analyze and improve customer demand, product design and distribution strategy. Why use logistics and supply chain management? Logistics and supply chain management helps business stay competitive. These practices track and coordinate the efficient and cost-effective movement of goods and services, which is key to an organization's profitability. Logistics components of the supply chain. Supply chain logistical components helps to manage goods or services. Each element helps move material, finished goods and services through the many steps in the supply chain. The following are the logistical components of supply chain. Information helps track the status of items and all supply chain processes, informing business decision at each steps. Storage is the practice of holding supply chain in the right quantity, right location. Business must strike a balance between demand and supply to prevent overstock and out of stock situations. Warehousing. This component controls the day-to-day warehouse operations such as receiving, put away, picking, packing, shipping and receiving. Material handling can refer to limited movement of items within building or a delivery vehicle. Other extends the definition to include the storage, security and transfer of goods and throughout the manufacturing, distribution and delivery process. Packaging. Proper packaging ensures items arrive undamaged and shipped for the lowest possible cost. Unitization. It makes items efficient to arrange, transport and store. Unitization methods also ensure that material handling equipment can move items efficiently and without damaging them. The cube is one of the easiest units to store and shift, so it is popular type of unitization. Inventory control incorporates storage and warehousing techniques to optimize the type of amount of stock held and where. Companies can use inventory management formulas to better calculate demand. Transportation. This component is responsible for moving goods along the supply chain to the next mode or directly to the customer. Transportation modes includes cars, train, truck, planes and ships. However, both supply chain management and logistics are fundamental to success. Supply chain management and logistics both support customer needs and improve the buying experience. Logistics provides direct feedback on customer demand. SCM uses this data to understand what consumer want and plan production and inventory levels. Reliable, cost-effective logistics pave the way to efficient supply chain management. A well-managed supply chain results in filling order accurately and on time, which over time will attract new clients and grow the bottom line. Many businesses have realized the benefits of using supply chain management software to help mitigate the complexities and challenges of supply chains. This software can verify various aspects of the supply chain from sourcing to production planning to inventory and order management. to help organization meet rising customer expectation while keeping cost stable. It can also provide in-depth reporting on various aspects of your operations to highlight opportunity for process improvements or call attention to potential problems.